Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Monday, April 25th. Stocks on Wall Street are relatively flat to start the week, as traders return from the three-day Easter holiday. Many international markets are still closed, including most of Europe and Hong Kong. Here in the U.S., investors are looking ahead to Wednesday's decision on monetary policy from the Federal Reserve and the first ever press conference by Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke following the meeting. Expectations that the central bank will keep its ultra-accommodative policy in place have pushed the dollar down recently. Right now, it's losing ground against most other major currencies and falling to its lowest level in 29 years against the Australian dollar.
The declining U.S. dollar, along with continued political uncertainty across the Middle East and North Africa, and Europe's sovereign debt woes, have all contributed to a major recent rally in commodities. Right now, crude oil is jumping above $113 a barrel. Gold is rising to another record above $1,500 an ounce, and silver is closing in on $50 an ounce, its highest level in more than 3 decades. Meanwhile, we've got news of a major M&A deal in the mining industry. Canada's Barrick Gold is buying Equinox Minerals for about $7.7 billion. The price tag values Equinox at a 30% premium over its closing price on February 25th, which was the last day before Equinox said it would make a takeover bid for rival London Mining. As part of the agreement with Barrick, Equinox will withdraw the offer for London.
After Thursday's closing bell, Advanced Micro Devices said its first quarter profit nearly doubled from a year ago. But the results were not quite as good as the chip maker's biggest rival, Intel. Right now, AMD shares are losing nearly 2%. Elsewhere in the technology sector, SanDisk is gaining more than 1%. The company saw increased demand for its flash memory products by mobile phone makers, helping SanDisk beat Wall Street estimates. And one big stock winner today is International Game Technology. The slot machine maker is jumping 9% after topping earnings and revenue expectations.
A couple other stocks to keep an eye on today. Kimberly-Clark is dropping 3% in early trading. The maker of tissues and other personal care products saw its profit decline in the first quarter, missing analyst estimates. The company also cut the low end of its full-year earnings forecast because of higher input costs. Radio Shack also cut its forecast for 2011, and its profit for the current quarter fell 30%, sending the stock down more than 2%. Radio Shack was hurt by declining sales of digital televisions and converter boxes, as well as a contract dispute with T-Mobile. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.